Hi, come join us. We're gonna hike Avalanche Lake at Glacier National Park, Montana. This hike starts off at the same trailhead as the Trail of the Cedars. You will see that you start off on a boardwalk, and it's beautiful. It goes across a river, then through the lush forest. Everything was so green, so beautiful. You come to a rock that has dripping water, and then you get to a waterfall, glacier water at its best. Super beautiful. There's so many big trees that you're gonna see, and there's the cleared path. It's actually really open. You could probably walk 3 people side by side on it. You will find many fallen logs, see the beautiful mountain view. The trail is a very gradual incline, and again, very well maintained. This was quite a busy trail. Although there was still lots of room and you weren't back to back, there were quite a few people coming and going at all times. There's lots of bird noises. You see lots of beautiful leaves. You see the flowers. They were in bloom. These trees are massive. Try and see whose home this is, who's hiding in here. There's some beautiful flowers. And eventually you get to where the trail narrows. And there is beautiful foliage on both sides, big leaves, and this goes for just a couple, maybe 2 kilometers until you get to Avalanche Lake. Right at the end of this trail, you get to Avalanche Lake, and you can go walk out onto the rocks and walk around the lake on the rocks, or you can go and you can turn to your right and go along a little boardwalk that leads you halfway around the lake. The water is beautiful, the sky is blue, and look at the waterfalls. There are 4 huge waterfalls. It was absolutely stunning. We found a rock to have lunch and was visited by a little chippy that has his own little lunch. Walking back, you go across a bridge. There's running water. Again, the beautiful sounds of water. It's so soothing. Just as you're ending and going down again to the end of the trail, you get to follow the water for the last little bit. You will then reach another boardwalk